our first day in Agra started, and today we are going to a very interesting place. It's a historical place which is called Fatehpur Sikri. This place is famous for its beauty, and it was before residence of the ruler Akbar. So we are going to check what is there, and we will show you also a glimpse of this place. I hope I will not get disappointed with this. So what do you know about this place?
This place is very interesting. I've been there a couple of times, and Akbar used to live here. He was a Mughal emperor, and he used to play different sorts of games, meeting, his sleeping area. So we'll show you all over there. So just wait and watch.
Alright, so stay with us, and let's check the most interesting things over there.
So friends, we arrived at Fatehpur Sikri. Right now we are at the parking area. And as you can see, this is all the parking area.
Very green, very beautiful, and already you can feel the ambience of that 16th century of the Mughals empire, because even buildings are, although it is just for tourists, the shopping complex, but still you can feel the ambience because everything is in the architecture and the design of that times.
Yes, and right now we just hired our guide. His name is Mansingh. And he'll be taking around to the Fatehpur, which is the palace part of the Akbar, and he'll be showing us, he'll be telling us the history of it. So
but friends, we want to give you one tip. Now if you want to go to any historical place, you have to buy online ticket. We were told that you cannot buy physical paper tickets now anywhere in Indian monuments. So do not be silly as us, be wise, and buy your tickets in advance, because it will be a headache to stand, especially if you do not have good network coverage in that area. So buy it in advance online, and here you have to just show your mobile phone photograph that you have bought it. And we are going right now by bus. Bus is here government, so it will deliver us to the up to the monument itself, right?
Yeah. So we are going to the bus now.
Guys, we have to wear masks because we sat in the bus which will bring us to Fatehpur Sikri itself, and they said us to sit on the separate seats. I am sitting alone, and Amir is sitting also alone. Hey. So let's see, because it's really awkward, like we came together and all, and now we have to even sit on the separate seats. Alright, so and the bus is like 100 years old, making so much noise.
So friends, finally we have entered Fatehpur Sikri. So you can see this is the entrance where they took a lot of time for checking, for writing down, and right now everything is online, so you have to buy ticket online. And once you enter this place, you can see the beautiful garden over here. You see it's pretty huge, and this place you see it's as per the guide is Akbar used to sit there. He used to make all the judgment, and it's a trial place, and people used to sit on this garden. That time there were no sitting areas, so people used to sit on the floor. So you see how beautiful place is, right? So let's move on to the entrance. There is one more entrance. So friends, here's your host for today's video, Amir, myself, and I'll show you the Fatehpur Sikri, very beautiful area. So guys, once you enter this gate, you can see the big area over here. This place where Akbar used to sit, and he used to conduct the meeting. In front you can see it's a stage where dancers and musicians, they used to come, and they used to perform different kinds of dancing and singing. And the blocks which you see on the back side, it's for the dancers, they are performing over there. So like pretty interesting, you know, these kings and all, these are very different kind of people. They like enjoyment, they like to have parties. And now we're moving on to the Diwan-e-Khas. Is a place for special people where they used to conduct the meeting, the kind of parliament meeting. So let me just show you. It's pretty hot outside today. I mean, it's almost 32, but feels like 40 plus because it's so humid at the moment. And voila, the sea is so beautiful and so huge place. I always love whenever I come to Fatehpur Sikri. It's so beautiful area. So you can see it's pretty empty right now because of Corona. No tourists are here, so it's the opportunity for us to show these beautiful places without crowd. So guys, we are going to Diwane Khas, is the place of all the important people. So you can see the structure is pretty huge and very well designed. So let me show you what is inside. And this is the pillar of support. So I'll show you the pillar. So in the center, the king used to sit and he used to conduct the important meetings. And if you can see all the corners, there are different members of the parliament. They used to sit and they used to conduct the meeting over here. Very huge and very beautiful area. And there is something special about this pillar. If you look at the pillar, so you can see this is the shape of a lotus, as Akbar used to believe in a religion. All religions are one. We have one God. So he take a design from all the religion. Let's say this is the lotus shape from the Hindu. Then you can see this shape is from Persian. Then different religion. See, very beautiful architecture that time they have made with manpower, and I'm not sure whether these days people can make the same. So this is the swimming pool, pretty huge swimming pool. I guess the entire city can take shower over here. It's pretty big area, pretty huge. Right now the water become dirty because of the rains and no one is cleaning, but it's like pretty huge. And you can see their buffaloes are here grazing, shepherds, and the city you can see from far distance. So imagine like if some army is coming of different rulers, so you can see from far and you can prepare yourself for the fight. So I hope you're liking my video so far. I'll try to explain each and everything in detail, and whenever you come to Agra, definitely visit this place. The place is huge, the place is nice, and I can guarantee you will definitely like it. So friends, just in front of the Diwane Khas, we are entering a treasury place where the king used to keep their treasures. So the holes which you can see over here, that time there were some wooden doors, and they used to lock this area with the wooden doors. Pretty ventilated place. So now we enter this treasure room. All right, so you can see at every corner they have this kind of deep area where the queens used to put their treasure, jewelries, diamonds, whatever they had. So every corner has this kind of boxes. So they are expecting diamonds from me. Smart people. So this, if to talk about, is the playing ground of Akbar. So if you can see the chair in the middle, so it's a kind of a chess. So it was played with people, not with some chess players. So when the king used to give the command, the people used to move. I don't know how this game called, but they used to play with real people. So you can imagine the power of the king. And this area is for the studying purpose, where the wives and other women used to study. And if you see this huge 5-floor monument, it's basically for the women. They used to sit there as per the classes. So the lower classes sitting there at the ground floor, then the upper, then the high class, and they all used to play chess. Pretty impressive, huh? So I'm inside this 5-floor building where the lower caste women used to sit, and you can see that it has 84 columns overall. And you can check the symmetry. I mean, that time they able to make so symmetrical pieces. So if I look at this pillar, and if you go to back side, it's exactly at the same position, like very symmetrical. I don't know what technology they have used. So here, if you can see, they're all in the same line. Very interesting architecture. I'm amazed by the architecture that time in 1600th century. And to be honest, this area is very cold because of the cold wind, and the sandstone, this all area is made of sandstone, has helped us to cool down. So you can imagine that time people do not need to use air conditioner or fan because this wind makes you cool. So pretty impressive. So I just came out from this building, which is a 5-floor building, And right now I'm just outside. I'll show you around. You can see the place behind me. It's a swimming pool area where the special ladies, only special ladies, allowed to swim. And the center stage is made for the singer Tansen that time, where he used to perform songs with his own version of sitar. It's a local Indian guitar. And this place where the king used to sit with his wives and the harem ladies and enjoy the music. Very beautiful area. Right now the swimming pool is not working. You can see it's all green with the algae. Friends, as I'm tired of walking because it's so hot outside. And I'll show you the highest gate in Asia, which is called Buland Darwaza, almost 54-meter in height. That will be the different side. And behind this gate, it's a famous dargah of Salim Chishti. Just after praying in this dargah, the Akbar got a child. So that I'm not sure I'm going to show you, because already in many famous movies, let's say in Pardesi by Shah Rukh Khan, you have seen it. It's just inside this highest gate. So friends, here you can see it's the biggest gate of Asia. It's almost 54-meter high. Very huge architecture. So I'm standing in the below side where the local people are here on the road. You can see horse also tied up here. So huge. I think you can see everything if you go up there.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed the video Amir has shown you and you admired the places, because they're really beautiful and they're filled with history. There are so many beautiful architectures, and if you come to Agra, don't forget to visit this place, because it is the place which is even better than Taj Mahal.
And it's not that far from Agra, almost 40 kilometers. So by car it will take 1 hour to reach here. The road is very nice. And once you reach here, you'll be astonished by the architect of this area. And if you like our today's vlog, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel.
And see you in the next video.
Bye bye.